All right, we are hooking up rock lights to the U10 Pro Highland. This is the accessory bus bar that comes ready to go. Well, almost ready to go. Pop that off. I've already got my black to negative there. And then this is for accessories, so this means it'll only be on when the key's on. You just gotta pop this out and plug it into this guy here to get that ready to go. Okay, we got this plugged in to your bus bar power source. We are set to go to whenever they come on when the key's on. And I'm just laying down here to see, make sure everything works before I get them all mounted. All right, got the keyed on power. This particular brand that I got that I would have to look up, I'll tell you here in a second what they are. It comes with this little power switch, like a master power switch. And then the blinking, we're on. So it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They're all on. We're good. We're gonna mount those, and then we're gonna bundle the Bluetooth and the brain box transmitter right here. We'll bundle all that up and get her tucked away under the hood. Okay, I have got the wires and the lights fed down through besides the radiator. Good idea. These are the Ditrio. So this is just some brand I got off Amazon. But a good idea is to, before you start going, this is a 6 light pack. So I got one for the front wheel well, one for the back wheel well, and then one I was thinking about putting inside the cab, but I'm afraid that like with windows up at night, might be too much glare on the inside of the windows. So we're gonna mount it underneath. But just make sure you got enough to reach where you want to go. So I've run everything. I'll get plenty of wire, so I'll be zip tying some stuff together. But other than that, we're gonna mount on the frame right here, drill in, and then mount that rock light there. This one's gonna just get mounted probably to the skid plate underneath, which hopefully that doesn't tear it up too much. I'm gonna put it behind the bracket to the Nerf bar to hopefully kind of protect it a little bit. And these front ones, I was thinking I'm either gonna mount to the actual wheel well, but then I think they'll just get covered with mud. So thinking about drilling in to the frame right here and mounting it here so it'll kind of shoot down towards the tire and out onto the road, which is kind of what they're for. So let's see how this goes. All right, so actually I think what I'm gonna do is mount these front ones to the actual plastic into the wheel well. And just screw into that, since the back of these is flat and that section of the frame is round. It's not gonna, I mean, it'll be screwed in, but it still seems kind of like it'll be flopping around a little bit. So we're gonna mount it to a flat surface, just right to the inside of this wheel well, right up here. And then if it gets covered with mud, I guess you just drive through water and rinse it off. So this particular brand does come with these little mounting stickers, double-sided cushy thing to where you can mount them and stick them and then screw them together. All right, we are plugged in, capped off, tucked away, brain box is zip tied to another cable. We are on. One over here, if you see it. And I'm not gonna climb under there, but it's there. And then one on the frame. Same on both sides. Can't tell real great because it's light in here, but pretty easy install. For this particular brand, I did find that there's a master switch, a little button right here that needs to be on. Fought that and cussed a little bit until I figured out that it'd be turned on for the whole thing to work. But other than that, we're good. So I'm gonna put the hood back on, and now I got whoops to do. All right, that was the install of rock lights.